Want a data analytics internship with no experience? Watch this. Alright guys, let's talk data analytics internships. Whether you're fresh out of college or looking to switch careers, the idea of landing an internship without any prior experience can seem daunting. I know. You hear internship and your brain probably jumps to needing years of experience, a polished resume, and a network of industry contacts. You might think you need a fancy degree and maybe even speaking fluent robot. But let me tell you, that's not the case. But seriously, landing an internship, even with zero experience, is totally doable. It's all about how you present yourself and the steps you take. It's like building that ridiculously complex domino setup. You just need the right steps in the right order. Each piece has its place, and when done correctly, it all falls into place beautifully. And that's what we're diving into today. 10 actionable strategies to help you crush it in the world of data analytics. From crafting a compelling resume to networking effectively, we've got you covered. Get ready to take some notes because we're about to unlock some serious internship getting superpowers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, making the process less intimidating and more achievable. First things first, we gotta build that data analytics foundation. Think of it like learning the alphabet before writing a novel. Classroom courses, whether you're at a university or checking out online platforms like Coursera or edX, are a solid starting point. Boot camps are another awesome option, offering a more intensive, laser-focused approach. Don't underestimate the power of a good book either. And hey, YouTube tutorials are your best friend. But the real magic happens when you get your hands dirty with real data. Find datasets online, tackle personal projects, and start flexing those analytical muscles. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Imagine this. You walk into an interview with a physical representation of your skills and projects. That's your portfolio, my friend, and it's your secret weapon. Choose a platform that showcases your work beautifully. GitHub is a popular choice, but there are others like Kaggle and even personal websites. Quality over quantity, always. Focus on a few stellar projects that highlight your skills. Structure your projects clearly, explaining the problem, your approach, and the results. And for the love of data, make it user-friendly. Clear visuals, concise explanations, and easy navigation are key.
Networking might sound intimidating, but it's really just about connecting with awesome people in the data world. LinkedIn is your new best friend. Optimize your profile, join data analytics groups, and start engaging with industry leaders. Don't be afraid to reach out to people for informational interviews. Attend industry events both online and in person and soak up all that knowledge. And hey, tap into your college alumni network. You never know who might have the inside scoop on exciting internship opportunities.
Chapter 4. Tool Time. Master your data arsenal. Data analysts rely on a toolbox of powerful tools, and it's time to get familiar with them. In this chapter, we'll explore the essential tools that every data analyst should master to excel in their field. Python is a must-learn, especially for data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. Its versatility and extensive libraries make it a favorite among data professionals. From pandas for data manipulation to matplotlib and Seaborn for creating stunning visualizations, Python has got you covered. SQL is your go-to for querying and managing databases. It's the backbone of data retrieval, allowing you to extract meaningful insights from large datasets. Mastering SQL will enable you to communicate with databases efficiently and perform complex queries with ease. And let's not forget the good old spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel is still a valuable asset. Its powerful functions and pivot tables make it indispensable for quick data analysis and reporting. Excel's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and seasoned analysts. Power BI and Tableau are your visualization superheroes, helping you transform raw data into stunning visuals. These tools allow you to create interactive dashboards and reports that can be easily shared with stakeholders, making data-driven decision-making more effective. Google Analytics is essential for understanding website traffic and user behavior. It provides valuable insights into how users interact with your website, helping you optimize content and improve user experience. Mastering Google Analytics can significantly enhance your digital marketing strategies. And if you're feeling adventurous, dive into the world of R programming and Jupyter notebooks. R is particularly strong in statistical analysis and data visualization, while Jupyter notebooks offer an interactive environment for coding and sharing your work. The more tools you have under your belt, the more versatile you become. A well-rounded data analyst is proficient in multiple tools, allowing them to tackle a wide range of data challenges. So, start building your data arsenal today and become a master of your craft.
Chapter 5. Volunteer, gain experience, make a difference. Volunteering is like the ultimate win-win. You gain valuable experience while giving back to the community. Non-profit organizations are always looking for data-savvy volunteers to help them analyze data, track impact, and make data-driven decisions. Research labs offer opportunities to contribute to cutting-edge research projects. Open-source data projects and data for good initiatives are fantastic ways to collaborate with others and tackle real-world problems. Remember, every bit of experience counts and demonstrates your passion for data analytics.
Chapter 6. Data competitions. Level up and get noticed. Think of data competitions as the ultimate training ground for aspiring data analysts. Platforms like Kaggle and Driven Data host a wide range of competitions, from beginner-friendly to expert level. Participating in these competitions allows you to sharpen your skills, learn from the best, and gain recognition for your abilities. Don't be afraid to jump in, even if you're just starting. The experience alone is invaluable, and who knows, you might even walk away with a prize or two. Chapter 7. Startups. Your fast track to data adventures. Startups are like the wild west of the business world, and that's what makes them so exciting for data analysts. They're often more willing to take a chance on someone with less experience, but tons of enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. Plus, you'll likely have more responsibility and ownership over your projects. Websites like AngelList and LinkedIn are great for finding startup internships. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your adaptability, problem-solving skills, and passion for the startup environment. Chapter 8. Remote internships. Work from anywhere, gain experience. Remote internships are becoming increasingly popular, offering flexibility and the opportunity to work with companies worldwide. Platforms like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and even LinkedIn are great places to find remote data analytics internships. When applying, make sure to highlight your communication skills, self-motivation, and ability to thrive in a remote work environment. And don't forget to set up job alerts to stay updated on the latest opportunities. Chapter 9. Resume, revamp. Highlight your data superpowers. Your resume is your first impression, so let's make it count. A well-crafted resume can open doors to new opportunities and set you apart from the competition. Start by highlighting your technical skills, including those you've learned through courses, boot camps, or personal projects. These skills are the foundation of your expertise and demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth. Don't forget to mention relevant coursework and certifications. These credentials validate your knowledge and show potential employers that you have the formal training needed to excel in the field. Next, showcase your experience, even if it's not directly related to data analytics. Highlight any roles where you utilized analytical thinking, problem solving, or data-driven decision-making. This can include internships, volunteer work, or even part-time jobs. Think about projects you've worked on, whether personal or academic, where you've used analytical or problem-solving skills. Detail the challenges you faced, the solutions you implemented, and the results you achieved. This demonstrates your ability to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. And don't underestimate the power of soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving. These skills are essential for collaborating with colleagues, presenting your findings, and driving projects to successful completion. Finally, optimize your resume for keywords. Tailor your resume to include specific terms and phrases from the job description. This increases the chances of your resume being noticed by applicant tracking systems and hiring managers. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, so make sure your resume includes relevant keywords from the job description. This can significantly improve your chances of getting through the initial screening process and landing an interview. Chapter 10. Cover Letter Mastery. Tell your data story. Your cover letter is your chance to go beyond your resume and tell your unique data story. Start with a strong opening paragraph that grabs the reader's attention and expresses your enthusiasm for the internship. Tailor your cover letter to each specific internship, highlighting how your skills and experiences align with the job requirements. Use specific examples to illustrate your skills and accomplishments. And don't forget to proofread carefully before hitting that submit button. There you have it, guys. 10 powerful strategies to help you land that data analytics internship, even if you're starting from scratch. Remember, it's all about taking action, building your skills, and putting yourself out there. The world of data analytics is waiting for you, and with the right approach, you'll be well on your way to an exciting and rewarding career. Now go out there and make it happen. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to landing a data analytics internship, even if you have no prior experience. Good luck.